Now we are discussing about adhesives in that polystyrene foam. What is polystyrene foam used for? Polystyrene is used in applications from appliances to medical products to automotive parts. Appliances use polystyrene foam is insulation, while it is rigid foam is used for housings and castings. Electronics also use this materials rigid foam for housings and casings. And next point is polystyrene foam good? Lightweight polystyrene foam provides excellent thermal insulation in numerous applications such as building walls and roofing, refrigerators and freezers and industrial cold storage facilities. Polystyrene insulation is inert, durable and resistant to water damage. And next point is what kind of foam is polystyrene? The foam that you formerly knew as styrofoam is actually expanded polystyrene foam or EPS. This material is made from polystyrene, a plastic that is often used to make clear products like food packaging or lab equipment. And next point is what is the difference between thermocol and polystyrene foam? Styrofoam is a trademark brand of polystyrene, while thermocol is a thermoplastic polymer of styrene that is capable of being molded into objects. The key difference between styrofoam and thermocol is the styrofoam is an extruded polystyrene polymer, whereas thermocol is an expanded polystyrene. And next point is what are 5 uses of polystyrene? Polystyrene, that is PS, is used for producing disposable plastic cutlery and dinnerware, CD jewel cases, smoke detector housings, license plate frames, plastic model assembly kits, and many other objects where a rigid economical plastic is desired. Is polystyrene foam waterproof? Expanded polystyrene is commonly used in insulation in many types of constructions. Indeed, it is found in commercial, industrial, institutional and residential buildings. In case of water damage or flooding, don't worry, EPS is resistant to water and moisture. And next point is polystyrene foam cheap? Polystyrene is a great model making a material as it is cheap, easy and quick to work with. It is used in architectural and railway modeling to create hills and other topographical features. What is the advantage of polystyrene? Advantages of polystyrene include cheap, rigid, transparent, easy to mold, and good dimensional stability, good electrical properties, low dielectric loss, excellent resistance to gamma radiation. And next point is polystyrene heat proof? Firstly, polystyrene has high thermal resistance, which means it resists heat transfer. Secondly, polystyrene foam contains millions of tiny air bubbles within its structure, and air is a poor conductor of heat. Is polystyrene, next point is polystyrene flammable? Inside housing news known, the polystyrene is highly flammable and ignites at a relatively low temperatures. Can water penetrate? Next point is can water penetrate polystyrene? Extruded polystyrene insulation is unique among the common thermal insulation materials for its low moisture absorption and tolerance of wet environments. And next point is why is polystyrene costly? In spite of local seasonal fluctuations, the demand for the product decreased due to rising energy costs and a low employment rate. Slow demand in the polystyrene and solvent sectors influenced the ultimate costs of the material in the European market. And next point is, does polystyrene melt in boiling water? Styrofoam is an insulator, making it very poor at conducting heat. Heat can't pass on through to the water, so the styrofoam disintegrates. And next point is, what is an advantage of polystyrene? Cheap, rigid, transparent, easy to mold, and good dimensional stability, good electrical properties, low dielectric loss, excellent resistance to gamma radiation. Excellent resistance to gamma radiation. And next point is, what is polystyrene used in construction? In recent years, there has been an explosive growth of interest in the application of expanded polystyrene for construction industry. EPS is a well-established insulation material used for various applications, as it has a light yet rigid foam with good thermal insulation and high impact resistance. This is the information regarding polystyrene. Polystyrene is also very comfortable and cheap also it is. So it can be useful for so many ways, and it is good for the prosperity of so many things to do and displays. Wishing you all the best.